you have no room for power with. When you strap, you have no room for walk with. When you're back against the wall, you're stranded.
Hey guys, wagwan. It is Wednesday, May 20th, I believe. I am on my way to work. I'm not sure. Seatbelt. I'm not sure if I shared with you guys that my office, in preparation for business resuming as normal, we are this week we just started to have people come in. We've been staggering it, so everyone's not in at the same time. We only have 2 employees in on a given day, so I end up working just 2 days out of the week from the office. The remainder of the days I work from home, like I've been doing. Oh, and you guys might have seen me make this. I don't know if anybody else knows about this tea. Tina actually put me onto this tea. I never knew that it was a thing. I didn't know that you could make thyme tea. But it's very, very, very good, you guys. It's very refreshing. I quite like it. She put me onto it when she was here the last time, and I make it now all the time. In fact, that was part of the reason why I even started growing my own thyme, because I just wanted to have fresh thyme just for the purpose of making my tea. It's hot, you guys. Hot. In terms of what I've got going on today at work, the 2 most pressing things are 2 family cases that I have, and that I'm expecting opposition on a civil and a criminal matter today. So if the other side's on time, then I should have that. So that should give me something to do, because I need to draft my responses to those. That's pretty much it, guys. Oh my god. Oh, why does my hand look so ashy, like I didn't lotion? Did I lotion? Yeah, I don't think I lotioned. Yo, I don't think I lotioned, you guys. Guys, this corona thing is really, 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 really messing me up, man. Really messing me up. Like, guys, look at my nails. Do you see my nails? My nails are so long. They're so grown out. And I don't, like, you guys know I don't wear my nails this long. My nails are always like a reasonable length. They're always kind of like short. Like, this is my nails, and these are my natural nails. You know, I've been trying to find some place to do it, and no place seems to be open. And I was trying to hold out on, you know, I didn't want to do anything drastic like cutting it. I certainly can't clip it off, because these things right here, like, I can't peel the wrapping off because it's so secure, you guys. It's not lifting up or anything like that. And I feel like if I were to try to do that, I would just ruin my nail beds, which I don't want to do. But last night, washing the dishes, I don't even know what happened. Like, the dish slipped from me and I tried to catch it. And when I tell you, it bent back. The other finger, basically this finger on my right hand, it bent it back. Like, it bent it back. Literally, like, almost like down here, you guys, like, so it's basically like in the middle of my nail bed is where all the pressure was, because that's kind of like where this damn wrapping thing stops. Oh my God, guys, the most excruciating pain. So that was it for me. This morning I was looking for my nail clips because I'm like, you know what, I'm going to clip them off when I get to work, or just clip them really short, see if I can, you know, because I don't want to like lose all my nails. So I'm going to clip them lower and see. But I couldn't find a freaking nail. I couldn't find a nail clip in the house. So I guess I have to deal with it until I go home. Yeah, so whatever, that's what's going on. I don't know. I don't know what all I'm going to share today, because honestly I don't see anything exciting happening today. It should pretty much be a bore. Yeah, I don't see anything happening today.
I be a bad man thing I go on lately. Remember the be mother, I know she take too long time, them a pre-man me. When they broke you and everybody alright. Start take little money now, be a fight. The same amount of you a feel be a right. Them friendship a silly code, fake life. Oh man, but put a cancer out of this one. Wrong thing, it's all time right now.
Are your bad mind song? Racist boy, are your bad mind song? And even a girl man up from tail like you know. You live no day. Make money straight and make that make you vex. Them a know nobody and a go on like them a somebody.
Every day is another fake account. I send in silly picture every time I make a post. You know up. If you dig out, you wouldn't have time to spy out my pizza.
Black on my belly, them want me falling. Them and I move to the food, the dog, them want in the earth. Work for life, I live the love to life, but we no love comfort. Never slow down, the millions I talk non-stop. See them even know that. Deep on them and me buy me now only for back. I bet you for them to the road and break the touch that. No man know I'm feeling out of the top shop. Sharp gonna just anyhow weed. Y'all get breed. Roy, bricks and bricks that me need.
And fully, anywhere they bring me and bully. I kill check, man I walk with pussy and a Uzi. Anywhere they bring me and bully.
This history. Zoom call with the fam bam. We've got my cousin Kayla, my brother O'Neill, Cheyenne, my brother P, good as pencil, Casey, and my aunt is trying to get in right now, but it's not. She doesn't have, her internet seems to be like.
No, I think she's. It says is connecting to audio.
Yeah.
Like her phone internet.
Hey guys, so it is about 8:20 p.m. I don't know why I'm here so late. Yeah, actually I do know. Today was really busy, and I had a lot of things to do. And now that I'm actually done working, my office is being painted tomorrow, and it's actually a favor by a friend, because the management. The guys from management are not working because of what's happening with COVID, and they want me to wait until June to get my office painted, and I would like to get my office set up before June. So I'm having a friend, or a friend of mine is having some painters come in tomorrow to paint it. And because they're doing me a favor, I kind of want to like pull things away from the wall for them. Also, I just don't want them breaking anything, so I'm gonna try just to get everything out of the way, or most of the things out of the way. They're gonna have to handle the table because this table is heavy as hell. But what I can get out of the way, I'm gonna try to get out of the way. So first things first, I'm going to remove everything off the shelves because they're going to have to paint it. I'm going to take my computer because I'm not coming in for the next 2 days. Yeah, I'm not back in until Monday. So everything, I'm just going to like place it on the desk. Jamaica, Jamaica. Gotta represent everywhere I am. Oh my God, guys. This thing is horrible. I just picked something up off the windowsill and it literally, look. I just picked this fake plant up off the windowsill and look, it took the whole paint off. The whole freaking paint. What the hell? I don't even know why I have this, you guys. Like, I literally bought this at a store around the corner that was closing down. And they were basically selling out all their decorations and stuff. I'm like, oh, I could do something like that. I could use something like that in the office. But now I'm just like, really? Because now I have real plants. So this kind of like looks out of place. Should I toss it? Should I toss it? I don't know. I'll think about it. So let me just put it on top of this bookcase that you guys are sitting on for now. So this is the finished job. I tried to move this desk away from the wall, but I can't. It's connected and it's too heavy. I think that's a two-person job. I moved most things into the center of the room. I tried moving that desk away from the wall and it can't move. It's not budging. So this is what it looks like. So basically the painter should be able to come in and do that, do that. I tried moving that. He can move that a little bit more so he can get behind there. And then, see? He can walk around, walk around, walk around. And that's the problem. So he needs to pull that away and get over there. I can't do anymore because I feel like at this point I've given myself a hernia. So this is what it looks like. I think what I'll do is I'll come in on Sunday just to put everything back where it needs to be, clean up because it's very dusty. I just kind of moved in, didn't really do any cleaning. So I'm gonna clean everything, dust everything down, put all the books back on the shelves, put everything where it belongs. And then Monday I can come in and start afresh. Yeah, very cool. So I'm gonna grab my shit and get out of here. I gotta take all this stuff with me. Yeah, that's it. That's it. I saw a meme today, guys, that was pretty funny. It pretty much said that now, given the pandemic, the best part of the day is removing your mask when you get in the car. I don't care what anybody says. Still, the best part of the day for me when I get home.
This it broke, you catch me off guard. Talk them from day one, they got me your back. The man they no